Hi, I'm Olivier with the Swarm. We built a people and relationship data layer. What it means is we have this database of 600 million profiles with job change tracking, 100 million companies with fundraising and firmographic data. And on top of that, we built a relationship mapping algorithm that lets you know who knows who. The way it works is for you to configure it, add your connectors. Those are people that are in or around your company. Think investors, advisors, partners, happy customers that can give you introductions. You can add them as passive connectors to map their former colleagues and school alumni without even having to notify them. You can also invite them as active connectors so they can also layer their LinkedIn and email kind of contacts on top of that. This data can be leveraged on the SaaS application. It can also be pulled into your CRM. HubSpot here, for example, shows you confirmed, likely, or potential relationships to a person or a company through your connectors and how those people are related. If they've emailed, if they've met, if they're connected on LinkedIn, if they worked together in the past, and so on. You can also do that on Alio now if that's your CRM. So here you can see intro path and the same detail you would see on the SaaS application on HubSpot. And of course, we're launching Salesforce soon. We have a native Clay integration that lets you pull that data directly in your Clay tables. And of course, you can then leverage Clay to add Clay agents and process the data and add any other enrichments that you would want. We have a new integration with Cargo, which lets you basically create go-to-market or recruiting or any type of workflows that you would want, and then push that information into Slack, for example, or maybe push it back into your CRM to auto-update fields. That is totally up to you. And we've built an API, so this whole database, the 600 million profiles, 100 million companies, the job change tracking, the fundraising data, all of this is available through our API and start even on our entry plan. We have, of course, the people data, the company data, and then that network mapping data that makes the swarm. We released MCP server, and so now you can connect on Claude, for example, and you can ask in a natural language prompt to find warm intros to Salesforce, for example, and highlight the connectors and draft even the email intros. That's the power of AI, and now you can pull the swarm data out of the API, essentially using Claude or ChatGPT, and then, of course, create those emails, send them over to your emails, and do a lot of interesting things that are now possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope you give us a try and contact us. Thank you.